Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Make sure your phone has mobile data and hotspot permissions, and your laptop's Wi-Fi adapter is enabled. On the phone Open settings, locate Mobile Hotspot or Tethering, then enable Wi-Fi Hotspot. If you prefer a wired link, enable USB tethering instead. Once the hotspot is active, note the SSID and password exactly. You'll use them in the next step. Make sure to set band to 4 GHz if you expect better range or older hardware compatibility. Now connect the laptop. From the Wi-Fi menu, select the phone's SSID and enter the password. You should see authentication, then obtain an IP via DHCP. If using USB tethering, plug the phone into a good quality cable and accept any prompts on the phone. The laptop will create a new network adapter and assign an IP. Once connected, confirm internet by opening a site. If the laptop lacks a DHCP lease, manually set a static IP4 in adapter properties using the phone's gateway address. Finish by verifying full connectivity. Load a web page, stream a short video, and run a quick speed test to confirm expected throughput. Make sure to enable power or data saver modes if you need to conserve mobile data and close background apps that consume bandwidth. If something fails, try straightforward fixes. Toggle the hotspot off and on, reboot phone and laptop, reconnect the Wi-Fi, and if necessary, update the laptop's network drivers. If USB tethering won't appear, try a different USB port and cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.